So, how do I keep my starter? So it's over here in this jar and you need to take it out. Here it is. So as you see, jar is not fully closed, it's just covered slightly. Yeah, so just like this. Poke, poke. It needs to be like this so it still can be circulation of air. So how you need to feed this? You take it from the fridge and leave it on a surface for 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes it's ready to be fed. So what you will need: scales, and you need some sort of plate. I usually do this in this plate. Put it on scales, turn on them, then I take a knife, just because I don't know why I prefer doing this with knife. My starter, first I mix it a bit. So mix, so this water will be blended in. See, all fine. And now you put this on this plate and look at the scale. So let's say you don't have to put all of it. So let's say you put 200. Yeah, it will be easier for you to count. So we put 200 of it. Ooh, 200. So even if something left, don't worry about this. Now what you need to do, you need to take this jar and you need to wash it very, very well. Gloves. So we clean this. We clean it very well. You see it's a bit hard, but yeah. That is. So now you add a bit of washing liquid, and then with the washing liquid, you need to rinse this very well. Everything is clean. Put our jar. You pour this, but make sure it's 200 there. So starter was 190, flour was 190, and now water, same amount, 190. And after that, you just mix it. See? Fully mixed. Okay, what you need to do now? You have the lid, and now you cover it just like that. You not screw it. No. You just cover it like this. Pop, and leave it. So you can put it aside, like move the weights, your scales. So you move your scales. Yeah. So you move your scales. You place it like this, and you leave it for 3-4 hours, depends on the temperature in the house. The starter is here. In 3-4 hours, it should be somewhere here. So you can see in 4 hours, see it's go up here. I mean, like it was here, it's going down now. It means it's fat, it's happy, and you see it's very active. So we raise this up. You see, whoa, very active. So what you need to do now, you cover it same way, just cover. Loop, like that, and say goodbye. Next time you would need to feed this in 7-10 days.